Adebola Idowu, wey no be real name, wey dey stay for that side of my 2 road around Amuwo side, don come out talk to news people. Dey lament, dey cry, dey hit chest, dey hit the ground, say which kind life be this? Which kind state be this? Which kind road be this? This road, my 2 Badagry expressway, me wey be say ordinarily anytime when I wan go work 1 hour fare, even if go slow day, since when rain begin fall, na this particular day I dey road, I drive say okay, I leave my house by 8, I say at least by 9 I go dey office. Do you know by 1:55 p.m. I still dey under bridge? No be only Igbo, many other people. They come, they say wetin dey happen, because this road don be very dangerous road even for armed robbers. They don dey take advantage of the bad road. They go break windscreen, they go thief people things, steal their money. One even report say they stealing 500,000 and other good things wey oyibo dey call valuables for this same road. This na road wey be say all the government of Fashola, we don talk say during Fashola time na dey change the road, say from 4 lane they wan do am to 10 abi 12 lane. Up to now they just scatter dig iduma for middle of road everywhere, poto motor enter e go sink. They come dey try say egbawa o.
Easy baba easy.
He pain them.
No be say he pain them.
He pay me for them. How una see am?
The road there, bless it as they do am. He bless it, they do am.
Ha!
Then they do the road, the blessing no they work. Then they do the road, the blessing no they work. Me, I don't park my car, so this road matter. Your car go dey well. If you enter road, if you dey come back in the night, you go dey plan mechanic.
Some go even sink.
You understand? So this road there, we don't really talk about road. We let just try do this road for us.
That particular road na the worst for Lagos now. That my 2 to Badagry. Okay, some part of Badagry, that Badagry side.
Na my area.
Yes.
Na my area. From my 2 reach first gate. They okay.
Okay.
Then from first gate reach Yanoba. They okay. Now from Alabarago.
Okay.
Alabarago.
So
when I see the road, I try view am. That road now from Alabarago, Okoko side, then Okoko don't do okay. Then Badagry. Oh, that place where you see Poto, now Badagry road with that. So now only one side they walk, and that side where they walk, then block am.
Okay.
So when they just try do this thing for us, I beg.
Once and for all.
Once and for all.
This money day.
Okay. My papa say crab. Say once play don't reach to the carry and go back. See where they count them out.
Crab
talk am, my papa talk am.
Crab
tell my papa.
Now the Akon.
Okay.
Shikoso egwuregwu kechifa kazu akaya there.
Okay, na so the Shiko tell your papa.
Yes, my papa
can't tell you.
Say so once this thing don't talk, because I was
in Shiko no say this road go spoil for Lagos. Now you can go tell your papa say
that one don't pass in Chico. Chico
no, don't be saying Chico. No, crab na animal wey dey chop. I was believe when I talk to news. Leave the
no be animal na insect.
Crab na insect.
No high scent.
No, thing I say this is a cost strike for Lagos.
Yes.
Bad road.
Yes.
Do you know because of this bad road? A friend of mine that works in Aja. He dey stay in condo. Him wife dey labor. Then call am, make come from office, come house. Before this man go come out for cause of early labor. Before the man go come out for Aja, reach Igondo, pikin don dey for my 3.
Pikin wey dey call am. Pikin wey dey call am say me wan born.
He don dey try to. I escort my friend wey dey go UK, reach airport. My friend land for UK. Chop, sleep, bath, wake up. I see the road to go house.
We take escort.
UK not too far now. UK just.
Wait till don't pay me now. My friend will call me. Say for UK. That day after I don't share, say first time for UK where they see traffic 5 minutes from your office to your house. 5 minutes, say bad traffic. I say, hey, 5 minutes, I they complete. From Allen to Allen. Now 2 hours.
2 hours.
So you walk up Allen, go Allen. Now 2 hours first of all. No traffic. Now what they cause on a bad road?
One of my guys say from Lagos to Lagos.
Yeah.
From Lagos to Lagos.
Lagos far now.
You see, you don't reach where we no go even they compare abroad with our pay because they are far gone.
Look,
when I dey UK, do you know that no horn? Horn, like horn is.
Are you serious?
Nobody. Who they blow horn for?
For UK.
I stayed almost 2 months in UK. Do you know that I heard horn 6 times, and inside that 6 times now Nigerians now we blow 4. Like now we all out of impatient, we know they go, no say we just come pop. Now the remaining 2 we make and 6. Now other Nigerians they drive, see us for motor, they won't with us.
Now see Nigeria.
Now that's 6 corner here.
Because for this country, for Nigeria, they use on the.
You understand here now?
Drive, they drive people to man, go say, papa, papa, go me for club.
Papa, you come the show.
Yes.
So you see the life abroad. If you enter abroad, now even our leader when they reach there, they humble. You go see them sit down for train. You fit tell am oga shift before you come look. Say, now our senator be this.
More not even go far, sir. More not even go far. If you want to enjoy good roads, just from once you don't reach Badagry, reach Cotonou, enter.
You understand?
Enter Cotonou.
They pain me, guys.
You giant of Africa, see our road.
You know that Cotonou has a lane for bike. Like bike cannot interrupt in major roads, and it's smooth. But they go straight now, so they go follow. Cotonou here, backyard.
You not go see one pothole.
People when they cross can't take care bike fuel for Nigeria.
They talk of Lagos sef. Na Delta State. We get this money.
No be you now tell say them couple they do road for Ejigbo, make they come do the road.
They no even see road to come do it. Talk am that day now. The next one.
I know say if rain, you know say if rain don't fall for this Nigeria, for this Lagos, and you they drive, that same road where you they pass when we say they use speed, but once rain fall like this, be careful.
Some place go don't dig.
Don't dig.
They swallow car. Go just enter.
I don't talk about one day. We drive. I see the water. I see when I small water. Oh, there's a motor. Small time. I begin see water.
You don't enter the motor. You don't.
I sit down inside motor. Water leave for here.
They carry me. They go.
You know how many times I don't pack water?
Anyways, that road need to be attended to. Is a very serious issue, and that road lead to our neighboring countries, Ghana, Togo, and Benin Republic. If you cross border, the welcome to Benin where you go see their road first go attract you, but of them go cross come Nigeria first in a bad road and checkpoint. Okay. Like 552. You walk out on the point with the bush.
This thing come make me remember something now. For where they stay now. No, now. Okay. Where they stay now for Okoko. The road, then they call it Jakonde.
So for that Okoko, just they park one place.
Look. We had to stay before.
I know they look.
Na Okoko.
You park from Okoko. Okay, park from Okoko.
Come from inside Okoko. Come out outside
Okoko. Okay, like.
So what I want to be say, that our road, they don't award them like 25 times.
To who?
To
whom it may concern.
To whom it may concern. But then they eat the money. So most of all this road they don't spoil. So
they don't already have a
they don't already say, oh yeah, wanna do it. But you understand?
Let government just do something. The